viewers a very happy new year as well, and expecting 2026 to be more exciting for the markets as well, and hoping for good returns coming in for the Nifty. But as we head into the new year, which are the stocks to keep on your radar for maximum returns and the stocks to avoid the losses? Firstly, onto the show, let's get that list to get us prepped up for 2026. And my colleague Ravinder is here with what the analysts are recommending. Ravinder.
Well, as in the year 2025, Nifty has delivered a return of around 9.5% so far. And if we look at some of the top stocks from the index, where analysts are expecting a high return, and over the next 12 months, expected return from the Nifty 50 index shows eternal leading a projected return of around 33.5% in next 12 months, which is followed by Adani Enterprise, Trend, NTPC, and ICICI Bank. And ICICI Bank expected return in the next 12 months is more than approximately 26%. And on the downside, Wipro is expected to be biggest laggard with return of 2.2%, which is followed by Hindalco, Tech Mahindra, Shriram Finance, and Eicher Motor is expected to remain largely flat with a marginal return of 0.1%. And now shifting focus from Nifty 50 index to Nifty Bank index. In Nifty Bank index has outperformed the Nifty 50 index in 2025 with a return of more than 16% in 2025. And from the Nifty Bank index, the top gainers is ICICI. Top expected return is from the ICICI Bank, where analysts is expecting a return of more than 25% in next 12 months, which is followed by HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Kotak Mahindra Bank and SBI, where SBI analysts are expecting a return of 10.5% from the State Bank of India. And from the laggard side, the IndusInd Bank is expected to decline by more than 10% in the next 12 months, and AU Small Finance Bank by 8.5%, and Federal Bank by more than around 5.5%, and while Canara Bank is expected to deliver a modest return of 1.6% in next 12 months. And now, if we talk about from the broader indices space, then the Nifty Midcap index, the top expected return from the is Kalyan Jewelers, where the analysts are expecting a return of 41% in next 12 months, which is followed by Suzlon Energy at 40%, Hutco at approximately 40%, Tube Investment of India at approximately 38%, and followed by IRB Infrastructure. And on the weaker side, Vodafone Idea is expected to fall by approximately 26% in next 12 months, which is followed by RVNL by approximately 16%, and which followed by Yes Bank, BHEL, and Tata Elxsi. And lastly, we talk about from the Nifty Small Cap space. Then Nifty Small Cap index has underperformed the Nifty 50 and other broader indices, with down around 7.5% in the 2025 so far. And from the Nifty Small Cap Index, AB Real Estate is projected to lead with the more than 53% return over the next year, which is followed by Whirlpool of India at approximately 50%. And in the year 2025, Whirlpool India was down approximately 50%. Now analysts are expecting around 50 to 51% return in next 12 months, which is followed by Welspun Corp at 50%, Jindal Saw, and NCC. And meanwhile, Laurus Lab is expected to decline 12.5% from the small cap space. Anand Rathi Well by 10.4%, and Manappuram Finance by 4.9%, and MCX by 2%.